What is up, YouTube? Thrift School over here, and this video encompasses 3 different yard sales, each one better than the last, so stay tuned because we find some insane stuff at the end.
That is a lid that you put on a frying pan.
Oh, to help crisp it up?
Yeah.
That makes sense.
Like if you don't have an air fryer.
Oh.
I don't think the box has been opened.
No, it's
yet.
still new. That's cool.
I ordered like 3 of them.
Oh, yeah?
And we have one. We used it a couple of times. It's okay.
Yeah, it's fully taped up. That's okay.
Yeah, it's, I should untape it though.
Well, let's see. I could look it up. No, I don't, but I can look it up and see what it looks like. Air Whirl
Crisper.
Crisper.
Is it on there? I got it on that TV. Yeah, that's
yeah,
it.
There it is.
Oh, cool.
The service is really slow.
Oh, it is.
Oh, okay.
Very cool.
All-Star Fryer.
You put the food in the tray, and then you have to remember to turn that part on.
That's neat.
This thing doesn't work.
That's really cool.
Oh, that's cool for $5.
Yeah. My grandson, I gave one to my grandson.
Yeah.
He loves it.
Hello.
Hi. Any of that stuff's free if you want.
Oh, cool. Do I need anything? What is this? Hardware? No, we don't need any hardware. What is that? Screaming Eagle. Proves horsepower. Kit Dyno Jet for our Harley Davidson. It's free. Just grab it. We'll look it up later. Alright. Oh, look at that. A free Cobalt.
Ooh, it looks minty.
Okay, yeah, we'll take that too. Cool. What kind of glasses are these? Harley Davidson. Those are sick. For free? Yeah, I'll grab that too. Cool. Alright. These are cool gloves.
Yeah.
Harleys, yeah.
So you're good? How are you? You well?
Yeah.
Everything's good?
No.
We'll see how much they are. Probably a couple bucks. It's over here. Some books. Motorcycle logbook.
Alrighty.
Those are the. This is really cool. This old recipe book. It looks like it's from Russia or something. What else is in here? What are the odds? There we go. I had to make him smile. $7. All right. How much are your books?
$1 piece.
And how much are your gloves? I just grabbed one pair.
Just $1.
Okay. So 1, 2, 3. I grabbed that stuff out of the free bin, and 5. So 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay.
Cool. You know what? I have exact change. 5, 6,
Awesome.
7, and 8. You got some ones out.
Thank you.
Cool.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Awesome. Oh, look at that. You're so smart. All right, next sale. Oh, food. If they're selling chips, I'm buying them. Drinks and snacks.
How you doing?
Hey, good. Winopoly. That's cool.
Hey guys, just want to pop in here and say this video is sponsored by Whatnot. Whatnot is a live streaming website where you can buy, sell, auction off just about anything. And I'm going to be having a show on Wednesday, July 3rd at 6:30 p.m. Eastern Time, where I'm going to be auctioning off all this stuff you see behind me. We have lots of comics that I just recently got from a massive buyout. And not only am I going to be auctioning off comics starting as low as $1, I'm also selling totes and totes filled with other cool items. We have a whole bunch of Blu-rays and Funko Pops and toys and video games. Just like this stuff you see right here. As you guys can see, my dining room has been taken over by these comics. I purchased over 10,000 of them and I need to move them fast. They are taking up too much space. So again, on Wednesday, July 3rd, it's starting at 6:30 p.m. Eastern time. I'm gonna be auctioning off as many of these as I physically can. And I'll be giving away some really cool things. Like, I'm gonna drive up to GameStop right now and find some cool superhero themed video games. I'm gonna grab one for each console. If you win the giveaway and all three are available, you get to pick which system you want and then we'll whittle it down from there. If you're not on Whatnot, you could sign up using the link down below in the description to get 15 free dollars to spend at my auction or anybody else's auction. Please join me for my Whatnot live stream on July 3rd at 6:30 p.m. Eastern time. Thank you.
It's over here. VHS cassettes. Beck, crash test dummies. Mariah Carey. Who is that? Crisscross? I don't know them. Ooh, Pokemon. These are cool though. Crash test dummies and Beck cassettes. I like that. What's this? 8 Men Out. Oh, Charlie Sheen. I think I've seen that. Copied Snoop Doggy Dogg. This was legit, that'd be cool. What's that? I don't know. Nice. Do you want to hold those? Thank you. Oh, those are always nice to have.
Did you end up buying one?
No, remember I wanted one?
Okay,
It's not bad. Huh?
I'll need it.
Oh, wow. For $5.
I thought
How
that
much
was
are they?
for fabric, and I guess it's for paper.
Paper, yeah, I need one for paper. I don't know if it's big enough though. This is probably big enough for, yeah, whenever I need to cut out little things. Yeah, well, we gotta see how much all this is, and hopefully we could just bundle it, get a decent price. How to succeed in business without really trying. I've never seen that.
Most of these are dollars.
Okay.
Otherwise marked. If you want more, I can do better.
Thank you. How much are your movies? I don't know if, oh, is there a mark on them? Yeah, if there was, it's ripped off.
Oh, I think they were 50 cents.
50 cents. Cool. Same with the cassette tapes.
Yeah,
50 cents.
yeah. There's,
All right.
everything's
Sweet. Thank you.
Unless it's marked on them.
Yeah, no, not marked. Box speed. Oh, that's cool. It's magnetic.
Oh.
That's a big boy. I could use a bigger driver. Let's see. What's this? Top Flight. It's pretty dirty. True Tech. Oh, what's this one? This one looks cool. Look at that.
It is really cool.
Looks wild. It's a big Bertha. I'll see how much he wants for both of these.
Okay.
Oh, excuse me. How much are your golf clubs?
I was gonna do 20 a piece, but
20 apiece.
I'll do them both for 30. So
Both for 30. What's our total right there? Do you know? I think 13.
How much were these?
50 cents each. Yeah, so that's 2, 3, plus 10, so 13. Would you say both of these for
both of those for 30.
for 30 plus?
And that's
So that's
13.
43. Would you do 40 for it all?
Yeah,
Okay, cool.
Fine.
Sweet. How much are these?
they're a buck.
They're a buck. These are kind of cool. Let's see. 40 bucks.
They've just been rolled up in a box for gotta be 15 years now.
Yeah, I'll take one of them.
All right.
That works. Here's 40, and I'll give you a buck for that. Awesome.
Cool. Thank
Sweet. Thank you. Cool.
Yeah, take whatever one you want. Yeah.
Cool. Hey, thank you very much.
Thank you.
All right. Chips for $1?
Yeah.
Cool.
What's 6 for $1?
No,
Chips. Chips for $1.
Oh.
Let's see what there is. What is cheddar sour cream. Oh, Fritos.
Doritos, there's Scooby snacks.
Oh, Scooby snacks. You know what? I think I want Doritos.
I didn't even go over it with them, how much.
Oh, you have blue
I
ones?
think.
Yeah, could I have a blue one, please?
Yeah, blue ones are the best.
Yeah, they are the best.
They are.
Awesome.
I didn't get a chance to
Cool.
tell them
Thank
how
you.
much it was.
Hi, good morning. Oh, what do we got over here? Some cool vintage games. Lucky Ducks. And Gulpin Guppies. These are cool. $1 each. How much are you asking on the plane?
Well, what did I put on there?
I don't know.
Stick up?
It might have been up there. Oh,
there it
five.
is. Five.
Five,
Too
okay.
much?
No, well, these are $1 each, right?
Yeah, exactly.
So 5, 6, 7.
Those
That's
are
not
fun
bad. That's
games,
cheap.
too.
Oh my gosh, I know.
got
They look
this
awesome.
one. Oh my God, the memories playing that.
Is that where you pick it up and there's something on the bottom of it?
It goes around, yeah, exactly.
Yeah, and you got to pick the color and hope you get the
gotta
right
pick
color. Yeah.
Yes, exactly. It's definitely. And the Gulpin Guppies, that's another fun one.
I remember the Cooties game I saw over there. I had that and Ants and Pants when I was younger. Yeah.
Oh, we
Uh-huh.
We'll have a lot more games in our next tag sale, but we're just trying to get rid of what we got so far.
Awesome. Thank you. Oh yeah. That looks awesome. Also, these rollerblades for 10. This bongo board for 5. I'm getting the bongo board.
Oh, I knew it.
Yeah.
That's what I was pointing.
100%. What is this one?
The balance board.
Oh yeah, another balance board.
That's pretty cool.
I'll get this one also. I love these balance board things. Let's see what's over here. Some fly fishing. Look at these. These are cool. LL Bean boots.
Oh, those are nice.
Except I don't know why the bottom's soft like that.
They're size 9.
They're size 9?
Yeah.
Hunting vest. How much is it? I think the other one was 10.
That's a good one.
Yeah, it's nice. It looks newish.
Yeah, it is.
This was 2 years, yeah. $10 seems like a good deal.
Yeah, I can't imagine how much it costs brand new.
Probably a lot,
Oh,
yeah.
wow. Exactly. That's what I always say too.
You can't buy that stuff. It's so expensive. So.
I know. I'm grateful for it.
Oh, wow. It's a cool old typewriter. Oh, it's really nice. Oh, we're gonna get this. How much? $10? Hell yeah. Hell yeah is right. There we go. Yeah, I would hold it like that just in case. Also, this Disney Princess lap's kind of cool too. Oh, I want the bongo boards, yeah. I also kind of like the rollerblades. I don't know if I need them though. Yeah, but not inlines.
No?
No, I only have my aggressive blades. These are nice. They're actually rollerblade. This is all metal or aluminum. This is really cool. It has the backpack. I could use this for my actual rollerblades to carry them.
Oh yeah.
I have rollerblades, but I don't have a bag like this for it. I kind of like the bag the most. This is sweet. What size? These ones look smaller.
Yeah, those were my daughter's, so those are probably size 6 or 7.
6 or 7, and are these the 9s probably?
Those would be 9s, yeah. And those
These ones
wheels,
are
I was
cool.
looking, the wheels are fairly new on that.
Yeah, they're nice.
I used
They
to
still have
skate
the-
a lot. I'm alpine race coach, and
Oh yeah?
we used to have a summer camp up at Springfield College.
Yeah.
And we'd have all the kids on rollerblades,
Oh,
going through
cool.
courses and stuff like that. Yeah, so
Oh,
I used to do
nice.
a lot of skating.
Yeah.
It's really good for your body.
They are. Well, I really like this bag. I don't need these blades.
Want to buy the bag?
Yeah, would you just sell the bag?
How much you want? Give me for the
Oh,
bag.
that's $10 for the whole thing. Would you do $5 for the bag?
Yeah, sure. Let's
Cool.
Take everything off and
Sweet.
put it down. Yeah, I have some adult wrist straps in there.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so if you Yeah.
Oh,
If
yeah.
you want the bigger ones.
Yeah, I'll take the bigger ones if that's okay.
Yeah, absolutely.
Cool.
Put these down here.
Thank you. Hopefully some kid can come and get these.
Yep.
Yeah. Oh,
You said
yeah.
you wanted the wrist?
Yeah, probably just the wrist. I don't think I need the knee. Awesome.
They've been used.
Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. I don't mind at all. Cool. Thank you.
It's pavement every now and then.
Yeah. I think I'm gonna grab the bongo board thing also.
Yeah.
Have you ever used it?
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah.
I have
Hard?
I have a buddy. We were at a bar. He was on his bongo board at a bar playing guitar. Balanced
Really?
on the bar. Yeah.
Yeah. I don't know if I could do that.
Yeah.
Is this kind of the same thing?
Yeah. So that one's a little milder, and I use this when I was doing knee surgery, so it's good for rolling. But also, if you want balance control, this is what I do a lot of it, just 1 foot.
Yeah.
Just working on my balance.
And when it hits the ground, it's not going as far as that
yeah,
thing.
it
Yeah.
actually gives you some stability, and it's good for
It's good
when
exercise.
you
Yeah.
damage your knees. And
Yeah.
sounds like you'll be there eventually.
Yeah, I know, right? Yeah, probably.
This is awesome.
This is cool. This
And
looks
it's got
harder.
the bungee on it, so it kind of slows it down. You can take it off the bungee, and then once you get your balance, and just put it free do it,
Yeah.
and just put it on there, and it's a little faster. You got a little bit better stability.
Did we have one of these?
We did a while ago. I never used it though. I think we left it at the other house. I think we left it in the garage.
I saw this on the ground. I just don't want somebody to step on it.
Oh, jeez, look at that. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah, that would have been in my foot.
Yeah, or mine.
Saddleman. $25. And the front of a motorcycle, $20 the seat. This saddlebag thing is sweet for It's only $25.
It's harder to carry.
Okay, you want to carry it like that and I'll just bring the box? No, I don't know if they're supposed to be straps. I'm going to ask. But there might be straps.
Ah, do you want the motorcycle too?
Kinda. 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 76. All right. So I was trying to count everything up. So it comes to 76, I'm pretty sure. Did you take 70?
Yeah.
Sweet. 20, 40, 60, 65, 70.
You guys got a lot of stuff.
I know.
Oh, that lamp too.
Yeah, I think it was only $2.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's
Well,
pretty
that's
good.
a steal for that, right?
It seems like it. I mean,
Right. I think I used it once and put it back.
Oh, nice.
sweet. Yeah, I mean, $2. The typewriter's really cool. We just start grabbing stuff. That's what happens.
Yeah. And this, brand new, right?
It's so cool. Yeah, it's perfect.
All right,
I got,
so what,
I got 70
75?
right here. I think it came to 76. I asked if you take 70. Do you need another 5 or? I don't know if I have another 5. Let me see. I do have one more 5. I could give you 75. That's
Thank you, I
fair.
appreciate that.
Yeah. Thank you. Can I pull into the driveway?
Back in,
Okay.
get that.
All right, I'll be right back.